So it's another week in tech, AI changing the game. Blink and miss a dozen updates, you're not wrong. This stuff is moving at a pace we've never seen. One day, simple chatbots. Next, AI that can edit video. AI that can write code. AI that can remember conversations from a month ago. It's a lot to keep up with, so we're here. We'll break down the biggest, most important updates. No jargon, no fluff, just the good stuff. These updates are reshaping how we work, create, and interact. From tools at work to apps on your phone, AI is everywhere. Staying informed matters. Know what's coming and how to use it to your advantage. Top 7 things that happened in AI this week. It's a wild list. The pace is relentless. That's the excitement. Companies are in a flat-out race to innovate. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about Adobe. At their annual Max conference this week, they dropped a bombshell. Project Stardust inside Photoshop. We've seen generative fill before, but this is on another level. Stardust is an object-aware editing engine. It doesn't just see pixels, it sees objects, the person, the shirt, the background as separate elements. That makes complex edits simple and non-destructive. Imagine a group photo with someone holding a backpack you want to move. Before, cut, clone, paste, painstaking. Now click the backpack and drag it. The AI rebuilds the background and matches lighting. It's a magic wand for real-world image understanding. Saves creators hours. Casual users, fixing photos isn't a chore anymore. Remove a photo bomber, click and delete. The AI fills the rest. For professionals, photographers, marketers, designers, change a model's outfit color, move props in a product shot, even change time of day with a few clicks. Project Stardust will roll out to Creative Cloud subscribers in coming months. Adobe is embedding AI into everyday creative workflows. They're bringing the AI to you, not the other way around. That cements Photoshop's industry position. A rethink of what a photo editor can be. Pretty clean. Next up, Google is making a big play to make its AI assistant Bard feel a little more personal. A new experimental feature called Memory. It remembers key details from previous conversations to give more relevant responses. Tell Bard your child loves space, and next time it suggests a planetarium or a model rocket. Today, most chats are stateless. Each starts from zero. With Memory, Google is building continuity. You can even say, remember that I'm training for a marathon. And it factors that into future fitness or schedule advice. At work, stakeholders, style guides, summary formats. At home, your dietary restrictions and favorite movie genres. Obvious privacy questions. Google says you have full control. See, delete, or turn off memories. Limited rollout now to gather feedback. It responds to similar features elsewhere and shows the race isn't just about power, but the most useful, intuitive experience. A more personalized AI can be a more helpful AI, with users watching for how it feels over time. While the big tech companies dominate the headlines, the open source community is where some of the most exciting innovation happens. This week, French startup Mistral AI made a massive splash. A new model, codenamed Zephyr. It's open source and reportedly performs near some proprietary models like GPT 3.5. That means researchers, developers, and hobbyists can download, inspect, and build on top of it for free. More than a release, it's a statement. You don't need to be a trillion-dollar company to ship a state-of-the-art LLM. Small businesses can integrate capable AI without hefty API fees. Researchers can improve safety. It fosters a transparent, collaborative ecosystem as a counterbalance to closed systems. It means more choice and better products, even privacy-focused apps that run on your device. Zephyr is already sparking a flurry of experiments and new uses. The future of AI will be built by a global community of creators and innovators. Mistral's move pressures OpenAI and Google, challenging the idea that the best AI must be locked up. Keep an eye on Mistral. Microsoft has been talking about Copilot for a while, but this week it finally started to feel real for everyone. On Tuesday, September 26th, Microsoft began rolling out its unified Copilot across Windows 11, Microsoft 365, and the Edge browser. Not just a chatbot, an AI layer integrated into the operating system for hundreds of millions. In Windows 11, there's a Copilot icon on the taskbar. Click it, a sidebar opens. Turn on dark mode. Summarize this website in Edge. Write an email to my team. In Word, Copilot can draft documents from a simple prompt. In PowerPoint, create a full deck from a Word file. It's designed to work across your apps, saving clicks and time. Struggling to start a report? Open Word, ask Copilot for a draft on Q3 sales trends. Attach your spreadsheet. It generates a starting point. In a Teams meeting and missed something? Ask Copilot to summarize what's been said so far. It tackles the small tasks that add up. It's a productivity play, plain and simple. This rollout is a massive bet, positioning Copilot as the next evolution of the interface, a conversation with your computer. For businesses, Microsoft 365 Copilot is $30 per user per month. For consumers on Windows, basic Copilot is free. One of the most significant AI integrations into a mainstream OS we've seen. It'll be fascinating to see day-to-day adoption. Switching gears to healthcare, a development that could change diagnostics. A study in Nature Medicine shows an AI system detecting signs of Parkinson's, Alzheimer's, and other neurodegenerative conditions by analyzing typing patterns. Developed at MIT, it tracks tiny variations in speed, rhythm, and key press release timing, early indicators of motor and cognitive decline. It enables non-invasive, continuous monitoring. Traditionally, you'd need visits, scans, and complex tests, often after symptoms are noticeable. This could run quietly on your computer or phone, build a baseline, and flag significant deviations over time, an early warning system months or years ahead. It's a screening tool, not a diagnosis. It adds a powerful new remote passive data point for clinicians, especially helpful for elderly or at-risk families. Privacy concerns are real. Constant keystroke monitoring is unsettling. Researchers aim for anonymized, secure, possibly on-device processing so sensitive data stays under your control. Still early, but a striking glimpse of tech aiding health. Finally, RunwayML gave a sneak peek at their next-gen model. The alpha release of Gen 3, early examples look insanely coherent and realistic. Previous models struggled with character consistency and realistic motion. Gen 3 looks like a big leap in both. More complex scenes, natural motions, and better grasp of cinematic styles. For creators, filmmakers, and advertisers, it's a game changer. Type a scene, like an astronaut walking on a Martian landscape during a dust storm, and get a high-quality clip. Closer than ever. Gen 3 adds finer control, structure, style, motion, moving from novelty to a serious creative tool. Generate a clip, drag into the timeline, color grade, add effects, seamless. Early alpha for select users, putting pressure on OpenAI's Sora and Google's Lumiere. The AI video race is heating up. So there you have it. From smarter photo editors, personal AIs, open-source breakthroughs, and brand-new video tools, it's been another packed week. The common thread is integration. AI is moving out of standalone websites and into operating systems, creative suites, and browsers. Less a destination, more a utility that's just there. Adobe makes pro edits simple. Microsoft puts a Copilot on every desktop. Mistral gives developers powerful open-source tools. Tech spreads from experts to everyone, and it's happening fast. Stay curious, try these tools, and fit them into your workflow. The pace won't slow. Next week brings more breakthroughs. We're watching a new computing platform being built, and you've got a front row seat. It's going to be a wild ride. That's it for this week's AI Roundup. It's a lot, but hopefully this breakdown helps. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on the latest AI breakthroughs every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.